Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install KDevelop on a Chromebook. But first, if you like videos where I show you how to install software on both Chromebook and Windows operating systems, how to set up software and programming tutorials, please make sure to subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started with the video. The first thing we need to do is install the Linux development environment. To do that, we'll go to our launcher here and we'll find our settings. You can either search for the settings or find the icon. I'm going to click on the settings here. And on the left-hand side, I'm going to go down here to this Advanced tab, and I'm going to click on that to expand. And then I'm going to click on Developers. From here, we can turn on the Linux development environment. I'm going to click Turn On, and we have this wizard that will guide us through the setup. I'm going to click Next. It's going to give me a username based off my email. If you want to change that now. I don't think you can change that later on. The disk size can be changed later on. I'm going to leave both as is and click Install. That's going to take a few minutes, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once Linux is installed, a terminal will pop up. I'm going to maximize this and increase the font size so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to make sure everything is up to date by typing sudo apt get update, and then 2 ampersands for and then sudo apt get dist upgrade. And I'm going to do a -y flag to answer yes to the additional space. I'll hit enter. This will take a few minutes, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once the Linux development environment is enabled and updated, we can install KDevelop. To do that, I'm going to type sudo apt get install KDevelop and hit enter. It's going to ask you to take about 1.3 gigabytes of extra space, 1.4 gigabytes. I'm going to confirm with Y and enter. And that's going to take a few moments to install, so I'll come on back once that's done. Now that that's run through, we can go to our launcher, and we see this first icon here. I'm going to right click and pin to the shelf, and then I'm going to click to open. Okay, it's going to either give me an option to search for a session or to create a new session. I'll just create a new session and type run. And here we go. KDevelop is open and we can start programming in KDevelop. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.